Hey guys, it's David Chuckman again. I'm in Fort Worth, Texas at Ideal Partners. These guys had some bad purple tint. A lot of people don't realize, but cheap tint fades fast, it doesn't block a lot of heat, and it's gonna go bad, and you're gonna have to spend your money again within a year or two. So here, we're moving it, we're putting new film on, we're installing XPEL VISION DN15, it's dark neutral, it's not gonna be silver, it's gonna block 80% of the infrared heat, it's gonna block 99% of the UV rays, and it's gonna give you a very nice look on your storefront with privacy, less glare. The interior is gonna be cool, and the people who are in their cubicles inside there aren't gonna feel the burning sun. So guys, invest your money in doing tint the right way. Don't get the cheap stuff. This stuff's gonna save you money for decades. It's an investment. You're really gonna enjoy it. So if you're a business owner or homeowner, don't cheap out on tint. Do it right the first time. Give me a call. I can walk you through everything and make sure we get the right product for your home or your business. Give me a call. I'm your window film expert. Talk to you soon.